Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra Inchaganji Department of Information Technology. Today start on lecture 22nd on course that is subject name data structure using C. First of all are already known which are our vision and mission statement of our department. Departmental vision statements is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineer with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. After that, departmental mission statement, in there three statements are there: to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second was to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third one is that to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Okay. After that, syllabus for that course, in there total 5 chapters are there. Already 2 chapters are completed. First unit number 1 introduction to data structures for 6 marks, unit number 2 searching and sorting for 12 marks. Now we start the new chapter, unit number 3 stacks and queues for 20 marks. Okay. Course outcomes. Okay, which course are achieved after the completion of unit number 3? That CO is implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. Okay, now syllabus for that unit stacks and queues are there. Main 2 points are there. 3.1 introduction to stacks under sub their points, and after that introduction to queues and their sub points are there. These sub points are one by one studied through lectures, through online lectures. Okay, now start the next point. Okay, in a previous lecture we studied the basic means introduction to stack means definition of stack, what is meant by definition, and their example. Okay, now start the point in sub point. First sub point, that is stack representation in memory using array. These points are studied on today's lecture, and in a previous lecture I am given some homework, that is given a assignment. Hope all are completed it. Okay, now start on today's lecture. Stack representation in memory using array. This is also known as the static representation of stack. Got it? Static representation of stack is also known as the stack representation in memory using array. Okay, the definition or concept are as: computer understands the concept of any data structure with the help of its representation. Clear that? Means that in that statement said that in a computer, means computer understand which concept of that data structure with the help of representation. Means using through representation computer understand that data structures. Means or we given that input that data to the computer, that computer how will be understood using through representation. Okay, when giving the example in a real time, but it is not a write in your exam, only for your understanding purpose. Okay, your computer, you imagine is that one type of apartment or one type of colony. Okay, in there many plots are there. Okay, if you want to any particular plot, then how you search it? Using through plot number. Means in that colony or that plot, that on plat, the representations. Okay, using through representation, using through number through that represent it, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. That's like in our computer using through representation. When we given an input to the computer in a memory storage purpose, that that data are stored using any data structure that using through representation through, means in a proper format through data are stored. Okay. Stack can be represented in memory with the help of array, means so that in that stack it is a data structure. Okay, in that data structure which representation through data are stored using through array. Okay, and array concept you already know. When we represent stack with the help of array, it is called as static implementation of stack. In that, clear that stack representation in a memory using array, that also known as the static representation of stack, because that stack, in that stack the elements are stored using through array. So in that said that static implementation of stack. Next point, representing a stack using array is easy and convenient. Okay, means that in that said that using through array through when we represent the stack in a memory, that is easy and convenient. Okay, it is helpful for fixed sized stacks. Okay, means in a array, fixed size of array we initialize, means what you initialize the 10, means your 10 elements are stored in that array. So in that said that it is fixed size of stacks. Okay, which we declare that elements are you added on that array, same as in a stack, because stack is represent using through array. So which array concept are that concept are used onto the stack. Okay, only stack is using through array, data elements are stored in a memory, that store and also retrieve, also delete, display, means these operations are performed on that data elements. Okay. Next point, in array implementation of stack, every new element is inserted as a top element. Okay, you already in a previous lecture we clear your point, you understand the concept of stack. Okay, so I'm not any repeated. In that said that an array implementation of stack, every new elements are inserted as a top element. Okay, you clear that in a previous lecture. Means in a stack, once again said that in a stack any elements are added in a proper position or proper place, in which proper place or position, that said as the top. Okay, that means every newly inserted elements is pointed by top. Even where we want to remove an element from the stack, simply remove the node which is pointed by top by moving top to next element in a array. Okay, means that in the said that first of all that when we newly elements are inserted that are pointed to the top. Okay, when we want to remove the element on that stack, then remove that node which are pointed by top, means that number automatically removed on that stack, and your top pointers are moved to the next element, means automatically that which are added above elements or last elements on that stack, that automatically removed it. This is the concept of that pop. Okay, when we see in that program, that clear that point. In the array implementation of a stack can grow either towards the high indexed end of the array or towards the low indexed end of the array. Means what? In that said that in an array representation of stack can be grow, okay, either towards the high indexed of that array or low indexed end of the array. The array implementation of the stack which grows towards the low indexed end of the array is shown in below. Means generally in a array use low indexed to the high index, means low index through we start the storage the value one by one. Okay, so in that said that using the array implementation of the stack, you growth, okay, you inserted elements towards the low indexed end, means starting from 0th location, okay, and that are shown in a below figure. It is the figure of memory representation, okay, using through that stack how to values or elements are stored in a memory, okay. In that shows that this is the stack is stack data structure is using through array, so array concept are used. In that array, starting location is a of 0 to 1 2 3 4 of, okay, this is the index position. This is the top, it is the stack. So in a stack, top location is considered as a top, means highest position or highest place as considered as a top. So top is indicated there in there, okay. These are the memory location, okay. In that set point, stack representation in a memory using array, means in that stack that elements are represent in a memory using array. This how will be done in this through, okay. This is the stack, okay. In this stack, array are used. Array means starting from 0 to locations value are stored, and array of 0 location is, for example, 200, after that 2000, after that 2002 4 6, in that 2000 2002 2004, in that 2006 and 2008, 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Okay, in that some mistake is that in their memory it is 2006 and it is 2008. Why? You are known, okay. In a array, memory are represented using through when array that are elements or that memory location is incremented by 2 because we stored the integer value, okay. So in that, for example, in that store the numbers, okay, or in a program, using through program when we use, okay, when numbers are used, okay. In a stack you store the numbers, okay, and you also know the memory representation or a memory unit. For a integer 2 bytes are stored, for the character 1 byte, for the float 4 byte, okay. That memory representation you already known. So in that memory location is incremented by 2 by 2, okay, means 2000 2002 2004, and in that 2006 and in that 2008. This only for changes is that in 2005 is instead of 2006, in that 2006 instead of 2008, okay. Means that in that shows the stack using array, okay. In that array of 0, okay, because it is the your array, and in a array memory are stored using through integers, okay. So in that memory location is incremented by 2 because for integer 2 bytes are stored, okay, any element, okay. And that memory locations we store the value a, or 2002 that memory locations value means a of 1, the a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4, that a b c d e, these values are stored on that location, okay. Clear that? Okay. In that simply shows that you use stack data structure, but you that data structure stack how to data are represented in memory, okay, using through array. So array concept are used. Array means starting with 0 1 2 3 4 and their memory location is 2000 2002 4 6 8 because these are the integer, so integer values are stored by 2 byte, okay. And this is index position, this is memory location, and it is in a stack topmost location or place are considered as a top, so in that indicated by top. Clear that? After that, stack can be represented using a one-dimensional array, okay. Means that in a stack that data elements are stored using through one-dimensional array concept are used. Allocate a block of memory required to accommodate the full capacity of the stack, and the items of a stack are stored in a sequential manner from the first location of the memory block. Means in that said that values are stored by sequentially manner. Means what that it is that array. So starting with 0 location means one by one values are stored, so that sequentially data are stored, and starting from first location means 0th location through start, and then in that state that memory is allocated with the full capacity of that stack. Okay, means when we initialize the array, for example we initialize the capacity of 50, then you 50 elements are stored that stack. So in that state after that, in figure, stack is a one-dimensional array. In that figure shows that one-dimensional array of stack. After that, top is a pointer that points to the top element in the stack. It is the top. Okay, it is a top is one type of pointer. Okay, you already know the pointer concept in a previous semester in a subject in under the subject C language. Okay, in that top is the pointer that points to the top element of that stack. In that figure, stack and its array representation. It is the simply your stack. Okay, it is the index, array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3. Top is indicated by your top elements of that in that stack. In that 0th location store value 10, 20, 30, 40. That elements are in a array shown. A of 0th location 10, 21, 20, 30 and 40. And 40 is the your topmost element. So in that indicated by top pointer. Okay, clear that? It's simply stack, but it is the stack in a memory using through array through data are represented, that how will be stored in a memory this like. Okay, clear that? Next point. In C programming, to represent a stack using array, use the following code. A stack S of the integer data type can be declared as a integer S of 10 and int top is equal to -1. Okay, because first of all your top is location is in that 0th location. After that 1, 2, 3, 4. But before when stack is empty, that your top pointer will be to the -1. So in that taken -1 value initialized to top pointer, where S is an array of integer type which can hold integer values. Means in that taken one array that said as the S of array, and in that store the integer type of values, and top is the variable used to hold the top position of the list. Means top is the one type of pointer. Here top is -1 represent the stack is empty. Okay, in that said that when top is empty, when we initialize the -1, because first of all top is it is a stack. Okay, in that top is indicated by a of 0, but means what, one number is there in stack. When we stack is empty, when your top pointer is indicated by -1. -1 means that 0th below position. Okay, that below position is the -1. After that 0, 1, 2, 3. After -1 before -2, -3. Okay, your number representation you already known. Okay, so -1, why -1 is indicated in that, you clear that? Okay, because in that first of all your stack is empty. Okay, after that you one by one numbers are stored. So first of all stack is top is initialized to -1. After that, the detailed study about push and pop. Okay, the detailed study about push, pop and traversing of stack using array is given in the next point. Okay, means next point is their operations on stack. In that we detailed study the push, pop, traversing, how to work. Okay, but now only for since that only for stack. How to stacks are represent means how to stacks are create. After that, in a stack how to elements are stored and how to elements are deleted means the push and pop. Okay, these points are also in study on a next point means under the point of operations on stack also. Okay, in the following program, okay, means in that program, next slide program, the concept of stack is implemented using array and push, pop and display operations on performing in order to create a static stack. Okay, means on next point, next slide, one program is shown. On that program we use the how to push, how to pop and how to display the number. Okay, using through the array representation means static stack. In that program for array representation of stack at std-onio, these are the dev files you already known. In that define max 5 means that it is in that max, it is a max is the constant value that's indicated by 5. Okay, if max is there your index of that stack, and in that declare the 5 means your stack is initialize the stack of 5 means your array is 5 means on that array you maximum how many numbers are stored, 5 numbers are stored. For example, in that define max 10, then you maximum 10 numbers are stored and that stack. Okay, in that set that maximum numbers of elements that can be stored. After that, int top is equal to -1 is it declared. Okay, means in that -1 is assigned to the top pointer, the top to the top variable. Okay, not a pointer means only for you concept is known that pointer concept is means that points to the that last element, but in that one taken a variable. Okay, so in that -1 is initialized to top variable. Okay, this is the global variable declaration. Okay, it is a stack, it is a one type of variable, top it is a one type of variable. This is the use for global. You already know the main two sub points of variables. Variable declaration is global variable and local variable. Okay, global means when we declare the global variable, that time these variables are used in all or over your program. Okay, so in that why -1 is initialized to top, because your first of all your stack is empty, so initialized to -1. After that your stack is how many numbers are stored on that stack, 5, because in that define the 5. Okay, in that 10 means your maximum 10 elements are stored in a stack. Okay, after that taken 3 functions. That 3 functions are there: void push, void pop and void display. Okay, okay, on that function chapter is also or function concept are also you studied on that previous semester under the C language. Okay, the 3 concepts are there under the function declaration, function call and function definition. This is the function declaration statements. After that this is the function call. Okay, and after that this is the function definition. This is function definition and this is the function definition. Clear that? Okay, so these are the function declaration. After that void main, this is the main function. Int ch means in that taken one variable, that ch. Okay, clear screen means your window is clear. Printf display statement. Okay, slash means new line to display, and only for message display stack menu. In our previous lectures we also said that every time said that printf function is the output function. There 2 functions are there, 2 works are there. One is the only for message display, and second one is the actually your values or your output or your data will be shown or display. Okay, after that printf slash means new line. Okay, push after the slash 2 point pop 3 point means these are the menu, stack menu are displayed. Okay, it means in that we use the switch statement. Okay, so push, pop, display and exit, these are the menus are taken under the stack, and slash n are used so that are displayed one by one. You also printf use, for printf also you use printf push, next printf to pop printf, third printf display, printf exit. In that reduce 4 times return that printf word in one word through printf that are used. Okay, so that new lines are you want, so in that use slasher, 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 slasher. Clear that? After that, while one is that used because infinite loop. Okay, your loop is infinite through you running, so in that taken while. Okay, 1. Next, printf enter your choice 1 to 4. Scanf, your choice variables are under the stored ch. Okay, in that declare the variable ch. So scanf is the input function, percent is data specifier, in that ch is declared by integer, so it taken %d. Okay, so in that ch variable what is the store? Your choice. Switch ch means your choice is passed to the switch case. Okay, you already know the concept of switch case. Okay, their syntax you already known. Case 1, after that their statements break, case 2 statements break, case 3. Okay, up to case completed, after that default. Okay, and your message display and break. Okay, this is concept of your switch. Okay, in that case 1 means push. Okay, statement in that push function is called. In that after the case 2 pop function is called, after the case 3 display function is called, after the case 4 exit your program, and no any option 4 are used that are display the message wrong your choice. Okay, means for example user enter the one number, then push operation is performed. User enter the second number, okay, then pop operation are done. After the 3 case means 3 numbers are pressed, then display function are done or work, and press the 4th number, then exit in your program, and 5, 6, 7 up to any numbers are pressed, then their message is display wrong your choice. Okay, your program complete. After that function definition, this is the important. While push, okay, int val variable are declared, in that check if top is equal to max minus 1. Okay, then your printf stack is full. Clear that? Okay, in that first of all check stack is empty or not. Okay, 2 conditions are important. When stack is full is condition when we use when push the condition, and when pop is used, pop is operation is performed, that time stack is empty or check. Okay, means what? Your stack, in your stack your data elements are added, but it is easily already completed, it is already full, then how will be inserted? For example, your class strength is 60. Okay, then class is considered as a one type of stack. In that your elements means your students are same as that elements of that stack. Okay, first of all your class is empty. Okay, after that one roll number 1 are added, roll number 2 are added, roll number 3, 4 are added, means one number are push. Okay. After one numbers are deleted, that known as the pop. First of all we use the push operation, means your class is strength is 60. Okay, and your 60 elements already added, and after that 61 students will be added? No, because your strength is 60. So in that check that in that concept, in that program also, first of all check stack is full, means first of all check your class is full or empty. If class is full, then no taken the admission for the student. So in that also same, when stack is full, then no elements are added. And in a pop, okay, means stack is empty. Okay, means that class are no anyone that elements, then how will be you want? For example, you are in a class, okay, no anyone students are there, then we call roll number 5 come, roll number 5 come, but roll number 5 are not there in that class, so how will we that are come through me? Okay, means what? That time to check in a class roll number 5 are there or not. So in that program also, first of all check stack is empty or not. Clear that? These two concepts are used. So in that check, if top is equal to max minus 1, okay, means max means in that check, in that max is defined 5, then 5 minus 1 4, means 0 1 2 3 4. That top is equal to 4. Okay, top means top is the variable, okay, and that top variable as indicated by highest element. Okay, so that highest elements are declared as a top, means automatically that stack is full. Okay, so that condition is used. After that, else not stack is full, then one by one element you will be added. Enter the element to push, means enter the number you inserted. After scanf %d val, in that val variable are taken, declare, in that use, in that val variable that one numbers which we added, which we push, that are stored. Okay, after that the top are incremented by 1. First of all, top is declared as a -1. Okay, after that when number is one number added, okay, that top -1 and 1 means that indicated by automatically 0th position, that 0th position numbers are stored, and that top is incremented by 1, means top 0 to 1. Clear that? In that stack of 0, the val value are stored, means element is inserted in a stack at top position. First of all, your top is the -1 and that +1 means that indicated by 0, means top is equal to 0, means top of stack of 0 means your array of 0, the val variable, so that val value are stored. After that another again you push function is called, then enter your to the push. Okay, that second element are stored in that val variable. After that, first of all, your top consider as a 0 plus 1 means top is initialized to 1, means stack of 1. Through stack of 1 new second elements are stored. After 3 4 5 up to, okay, whenever you push function is called, up to that one by one elements are to be added on that stack. Clear that? After that, pop function, in a pop function definition, definition, in that if top is equal to -1, check that, means that in a stack that any elements are there or not, present or not, will be checked. So in that top is equal to -1 means that in that automatically clear that stack will be empty. In a class, when we in an example I'm said that in a class, for example, I'm calling to roll number 10, but no, roll number 10 is not present in that class. So how will be that roll numbers 10 are will be coming to me? Okay, so in that check that class is empty or not. So means that in that check stack is empty or not. How will we check? Top is equal to -1 means your top pointer is -1, means automatically said that the stack will be empty. Else, okay, this condition is false, then run deleted element is %d stack of top. Delete the top element, because top is indicated by top is pointed to the highest element, means last element of that stack. That statements are already known or studied on in that point. In this said that every new elements are pointed to the top. In that also said that. Okay, so in a pop means automatically highest position of number elements are automatically deleted. Okay, how will be deleted? In that top is equal to top -1. Okay, for example, your top is 2, means your location in a array location is 2. 2 minus 1 is automatically 1, means your top is pointed to the one array, so automatically above elements are deleted. Okay, clear that? How will be numbers are deleted on that stack? Okay, means top is indicated or pointed to the highest element on that stack. You want to any element are deleted, then that pointer are assigned to the next element, means automatically that elements are free on that stack. Okay, this concept or this logic are used under the pop operation. Okay, after that, display means your numbers will be displayed. In that, first check stack is empty or not. Display means your in a class your numbers are students are displayed. First of all, check that class are empty or not. After that numbers will be displayed. So in that, check top is equal to -1. After that, in that message display elements in stack. In that, for loop is used because array is used, so for is used, because in that one statement is repeated after more than one, so use the for loop. Okay, in that logic, which logic is used? In that, one by one elements are displayed. Same logic in a array. In a array, how will be numbers are displayed? That logic are used, means that for loop is used. I is equal to top, I greater than is equal to 0, and I minus means your top is the highest. Okay, for example, your top is the 2. Okay, means I is equal to 2. 2 is greater than 0, condition is true, means array of 2 means your stack of 2, that numbers will be displayed. Next, -1 means top 1. 1 is greater than 0, condition is true, means stack of 1 number will be displayed. After that, stack of 0, sorry, I will be 0. 0 greater than is equal to 0, condition is true. Then stack of 0 number display. After that, -1. -1 is condition false. Then automatically exit from that loop, means automatically exit from that function. Clear that? Okay, this is your main program. In that function call and that function one by one functions are there, function definition also. Next, output. Okay, message display. First of all, stack menu. In that 1 2 3 4 options are there. Enter your choice. For example, we press the 1. After that, your 50 numbers are pushed. After that, your choice is again we push the element, means you inserted element 60. After that, 70. Okay, after that your choice is 3, means your stack elements in a stack 70 60 50. First of all, you 50 numbers are entered, that stored in a 0 locations. This is considered as your array. Okay, because in using through stack data structure, using through array numbers are stored. So array of 0 50 is stored, array of 1 60 is stored, array of 0 1 2 70 is stored. One by one numbers are stored. Okay, means that are stack structure through stored. After that, you enter your choice. 2 means pop. Okay, 1 means push, 3 means display, 2 means your pop the element. Okay, then automatically deleted the element is the 70, means this 70 is automatically deleted, because in a stack concept is that topmost elements are automatically first of all deleted. So also said as the stack is known as the last in first out, means that last elements which are added 70, that first that are removed on that stack. Clear that? This is the program and output. Okay, summary on that today's lecture: stack representation in a memory using array, that also known as the static representation of stack. In under the point, we studied the concept, program and output. No in a previous board exam, no any question arise to program, only for concept the only for the asking to the theory question, means explain static representation in a memory using array with example. Okay, but in case anytime arise the question or asking to a question about program, so I am added this point. Okay, 99% not asking the program, but in case 1% ask the program, so not reduce your marks, any asking for 4 marks or 6 marks. So I am added this program is simple, only for your concept is clear, then you automatically program write down. Okay, in that only for that memory concept, means that definitions this and this, and using through examples means these examples through your array representation are shown. This also is example shown. Okay, so summary is clear. That means only for in this point clear stack representation in memory. In a memory your stack representation through means your data structure means your elements are stored in a memory. How will we represent using through array? This concept, program and output. After that, homework is that on today's lecture given the two questions, explain stack representation in a memory using array with example, and after that program. Two questions are there that are completed, continued to on a previous lecture, and in that these questions are program and output write down, and this question answer is that in that write concept and example. Example means what? This example means in a stack in using through array how will be numbers are stored. These examples also write down, and these examples also write down. Okay, question for asking 2 marks, then only for concept and these examples are shown. Asking for 4 marks, then these examples also write down. Okay, depends upon that mark system. Okay, question asking for 2 marks, then only for definition means actually concept are write down, and after that write directly on program means on diagram through represent. Okay, example means what? Using through diagrammatically through means how in a memory how will be memory and array and stack. These are three are combined. In these are example also you show stack and its array representation. Okay, in that shown the memory location 2000, 2002, 2004, 2000, 2002, 2004, 2006. Then it is example also in sufficient for your that question answer. Okay, now here stop on today's lecture. In this point any doubts are arise, then contact with me, no problem. Thank you.